you can see this one. If you touch with body, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, today we will check this compressor. How do you test with Megger and how do you test with multimeter? So we will find out this compressor is okay or not okay. We will check the short, how to check short with meter and Megger. So this is the compressor. You can see this is the model number NH56VNHT, and these are the specification: 3450 watt and LRA 79 to 81. What is LRA means? Low crude ampere. Once the compressor get low, so it will go in high ampere, it will not run. And refrigerant R22, oil 1.30, and these all are the specification: 2.74, 74, 10.5 MPa. Okay, so now we will test with meter. How do you test with meter? You need to select meter on connectivity and then test the meter. Okay, so now you need to choose the terminal. We have 3 terminal here. Let me clear it. Okay, so now you can see the terminal. These are, we have terminal, 3 terminal. Okay, we will test one by one with meter. Now, okay, suppose if there is short with terminal and body, it's supposed to give beef. We'll check one terminal. It is not giving any beef. And we will check another terminal. You need to check with the area. There should be no color. If there is color like this, so it will not give any result. So these are not showing any short with multimeter. So now we will test with Megger. How do you test with Megger? You need to select. You can see here off, ACV, DCV, 500 volt, 1000 volt and 2500 volt. So this compressor belongs to 220 volt, 220 volt. So we need to choose the 500 volt to check the short. Okay, and then keep it off. Now you can see insulation, resistance and tester. Okay, we have to check the insulation, right? We need to put this one on insulation and black one we need to put on tester. Okay, then we need to see resistance. How to check? We will put on one terminal and then with body we will press this button, test button. You can see this one. If you touch with body, it is showing 0.00, means it is full short, while with multimeter it was not showing anything. So we will check another terminal. Okay, this one also short. And this one also short. So With multimeter we checked, it was not showing anything, and then we choose the measure. So always choose the measure. Multimeter will not show you the exact result, so you need to test compressor with measure. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please click on the like and subscribe my channel.